Rancheros, video 1, take 5, 49.
Dad, Mom, sing those.
The thrill is gone. The thrill is gone, baby. What's the words? Yeah, thank you. You know, I'm so damn tired trying to make love to you.
your flat feet on the ground. Well, I brought you a brand new Mustang. Talk about 1965. Oh, baby, no fire. You will make me come alive. Mustang style.
We can have, but then I'll be back again. I gotta get back.
All of these early mornings, my baby's gonna have to put you flat foot, flat foot. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, singing, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally, ride, Sally, ride. One of these early mornings, my baby's gonna have to put your flat feet on the ground.
Road trip to Cape Breton. Take one. There we have Mr. Scott Lekas.
Oh, Jesus.
Nestled in the back amongst all the gear, Mr. Brian Jones.
Hello out there at Camp Breton.
Well, I'm gonna take a trip down to the cove. I packed up my travel kit. was cotton loving.
Cotton loving.
Cotton loving down the go.
Cotton loving.
Cotton loving our little treasure trove. Lake Ola, just a little down from the campground where we used to bring our kiddies to camp. You bring your kiddies to camp here? We'll just say you did. Beautiful 3 lakes chained together and little egg-shaped mountains on the other side. On our way to the Margaree Valley.
Very nice.
Some funny old houses. They have these old double houses in Inverness. It's almost exclusive to this town. Would have been company houses. Inverness Co-op. Coffee Company. Terry?
What? It's the historic village of Inverness.
No, he's asking you about the button.
It's on.
Oh, okay. I turned it off and I turned it back on.
Okay, it's on. So, they've got world-class golf courses here. And the last 5 years, they put in 2 of them, which is put the place on the map.
Kind of screwed up access to the beach, but we won't talk about that. Where's the liquor store at anyway, Terry?
Coming up.
Up every morning about 6:30, heating up the coffee and them old fish sticks. I got beat that bus to the bottom of the hill. I always open one, but I always know that well. That's why I'm talking to your mama, talking about the chicken house blues. Got chicken house socks, got chicken house shoes. Crying to my mom about the chicken house blues. I said, come on, man, we'll be done by 5. With not one chicken left out alive. We're talking to your mama, talking about the chicken house blues.
Here are the anarchists talking about their next.
They know when you take a leap, right?
V for Vendetta is happening here in the wilds of
I had
Mabu.
to listen to you guys all the way up talking about the chemtrails chasing us.
Well, that's Terry's thing, right? That's interesting.
Want to say a few words?
Okay, are you on?
Yep.
Well, we are. Right, Scotty?
Yeah, this is my new barge.
Okay. Try her this time, buddy.
I'm Scott. I'm still driving. Hey.
And the backseat guy.
The back door man.
You got your money, fancy clothes. This is how it goes. Nothing stays here, nothing nice anyway. Everything breaks and gets in the way.
Ever plan a motor west? Take my way, the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66. Where the wise from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles away. Get your kicks on Route 66. Come on, get your kicks on Route 66. Go to St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Road K-City, look now oh so pretty, Amarillo. Travel New Mexico. Don't forget Winona, Flagstaff, Arizona, San Bernardino. If you take this home and you get hip to this tune, and you get that California groove. Get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66. Magnolia, you sweet thing, you're driving me mad. Gotta get back to you, girl. You're the best I ever had. Magnolia, you sweet thing, you're driving me wild. Gotta get back to you, girl. Gotta see your smile. You whisper good morning, so gentle in my ear. Gotta get back to you, girl. Gotta feel you near. Gotta feel you near. You knew that it would be untrue. You knew that I would be alive if I would have said to you, girl, you couldn't get my child.
boots pointing north, but his eyes are looking to the south. Got a smile around his mouth. Skyline fading in a field of green. Billboards flashing, blacktop spinning me away to a place where I can stay. Downtown lights, the beat of the night is like a memory left in the sun to fade it away. I'm gonna pray you remember me, 'cause baby you want it babe. Babe, I want it back. Running to the river in the middle of the night, bitter moon sliding, nowhere hiding from the talking head. Was it something that I said? Concrete ribbon like a cross-stitch weave, big green sign trying to make me believe that I'm on my way, and there's nothing I can say.